Car Story research indicates this vehicle as being well equipped with popular features. Features also include leather seats, heads-up display, sun moonroof, ventilated seats. With these ratings, looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2018 Q7. This vehicle is powered by a all-wheel drive, 6-cylinder, 3.0-liter engine and comes with a automatic transmission. This vehicle has less than 45,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: panoramic roof, all-wheel drive, aluminum wheels, rear spoiler, power liftgate, brake assist, traction control, stability control, engine immobilizer, driver illuminated vanity mirror. Inside you'll find backup camera, keyless entry, HD radio, satellite radio, auxiliary audio input, steering wheel audio controls, keyless start, security system, MP3 player, auto dimming rear view mirror, PPO.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a CARFAX vehicle history report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX buyback guarantee.